some presentation just simply excellent, outstanding, and a perfect. And while some just simply horrible. The worst or the most dreadful of them all. Well, that's because some people would take time to prepare and some don't. It's just like what my beautiful, kind, and a caring mother would say. Preparation is the key to success. Good evening to my gracious ladies and gentlemen. I stand before you as Kendrick, proudly officiated with a kid's public speaking in Bangsa South. This very year finds me at the tender age of 13. The difference between a prepared person and an unprepared person is a prepared soul who would shed blood, sweat, and tears for weeks just to get it right and put in a lot of precious time and plenty of attempts just to get it right. And an unprepared soul would just finish his or her presentation without much effort and would just present it on the following day. Ladies and gentlemen, let me share a real life story that had just happened 3 weeks ago. I was smart, passionate, and determined during kindergarten and primary school. My kind-hearted English teacher, Miss Farah, wanted us to make a presentation slide about our dream job. My aunt is a hotel proprietor, in case you're wondering. I also had a friend who was very smart, determined, and polite. His name is Keith Nicholas. His dream is to be the world's coolest, most famous, best animator in the whole world. He immediately started on the project. After 1 hour of work, rest, and play, he was finished and was exhausted. The next day, I asked him if he finished it and was prepared. He said he would be the best of them all. I tried to advise, explain, and encourage him not to be so arrogant and be overconfident. I advise him to practice and be prepared for the presentation. He never took my advice seriously. As for me, I practiced for many days, but it's worth every single minute. After a week, the day finally came. Miss Farah asked us who would like to volunteer, and I raised my hand. I told everyone my hotel would have a jacuzzi, cigar room, and outstanding service. After I finished with my presentation, it was Keith's turn. I took a quick glance. I can see the idea was good, but it has grammar mistakes and spelling errors. He wasn't prepared because he spoke in an uninspired, unremarkable, and unenthusiastic tone. After he finished, the teacher told him that he should be more prepared and put in more effort and hard work on his project. His cheeks flushed with embarrassment, and he was definitely ashamed. He went to my table and he said, "You were correct, and I should have been more prepared." I smiled and I told him, "Preparation is the key to success and triumph." After the day, he would always be prepared and present well. So as you can see here, my friends, preparation is the key to success and triumph. We must always be a step ahead from doing something. Perhaps with your hard work and preparation, your results will come up with flying colors. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that you need to prepare, practice, and present ahead of time for any project or assignments you undertake. Preparation is the key to success. Your effort and time will be reflected in your work. Thank you.